Want to make money on TikTok, but don't know where to start? Stick with me, because I'm going to walk you through every single step, button by button. So even if you've never touched TikTok before, you'll be ready to start earning. Let's go. Step 1. Create your TikTok account first. Download the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it. Tap sign up. Choose to sign up with phone or email is usually easier. Enter your birthday, email, and create a password. Boom, you've got a TikTok account. Easy win. Step 2. Switch to a business account. Now, to make money, you need the right account type. Go to the bottom right corner and tap Profile. Next, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Hit Account. Then switch to Business Account. Pick a category that matches what you'll post, like art, gaming, or education. Done. Business account activated. Step 3. Set up your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Upload a clean profile picture, preferably your face or a logo. For your username, keep it short and memorable. No random numbers. Add a bio that explains who you are and what you post. Example: DIY tips, fun builds, helping you create on a budget. Finally, link your Instagram or YouTube for extra credibility. Now, your profile looks professional. Step 4. Learn the basics of content creation. Hit the plus button at the bottom center to create your first video. You'll see the record button in the middle. Hold it down to film, or tap to start and stop. On the right side, you'll see options for flipping the camera, adjusting speed, adding filters, and the beauty setting. At the top, you'll see Add Sound. Tap that to use trending music, which is huge for growth. Once you record, hit the check mark. Now, you can add texts, stickers, or voiceovers. When ready, hit Next. Step 5. Use trending sounds and hashtags when you post. Always add a caption with Use a mix of broad ones like #5, #viral, and niche ones like #projects or #fitness tips, depending on your content. Also, use trending sounds by tapping Add Sound before you record. TikTok's algorithm loves trending audio. Step 6. Grow your audience with consistency. Here's the truth. Consistency beats everything. Post 1, 2, 3 times every single day. Your first 50 videos are practice. Don't worry if they flop. Just keep uploading. Reply to comments. Follow people in your niche and engage. TikTok rewards active users. Step 7. Unlock TikTok creator tools. Go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, then tap Creator Tools. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see options like Analytics, Promote, and Monetization. To unlock money features like the Creator Fund, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So, focus on building your audience first. Step 8. Monetization methods. Once you've got your audience, here's how to actually get paid. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays you for your video views. TikTok Creativity Program. Even better, pay-per-view if you qualify. Brand deals and sponsorships. Companies pay you to showcase their products. TikTok Shop and affiliate marketing. Sell products directly on TikTok or promote other people's stuff for commission. Live gifts. When you go live, viewers can send you gifts that convert into real cash. These are your main moneymakers. Step 9. Connect your payment info when you're eligible. Go back to Creator Tools and tap Balance. Then tap Withdraw. You'll need to link PayPal or a bank account. Follow the prompts, and that's it. Now, when you earn money, you can actually cash out. Step 10. Bonus tips to maximize earnings. Film in good lighting. Keep videos between 15 to 45 seconds and always hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Batch record multiple videos in one sitting so you always have content ready. And remember, TikTok favors creators who keep people on the app, so encourage viewers to watch till the end and engage in the comments. Outro scene. And that's it. From downloading the app to setting up your account, growing your audience, unlocking monetization, and cashing out. Now you know exactly how to make money on TikTok as a complete beginner. No excuses. Go hit that record button. Start posting today and let TikTok be the side hustle that could turn into your full-time job. See you on the For You page. So how exactly does one make money on TikTok? Well, in this video, we're going to walk through it step by step. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on TikTok as a complete beginner, then let's jump right in. The very first step is to create your TikTok account. Now, if you already had one, skip to the next step where we'll talk about switching over to a business account. But if you don't have an account yet, click that link down below to get a quick tutorial on how to do it. Once you have your account set up and ready to go, follow the instructions on the screen now to switch over to a business account. Because you won't be able to monetize your account until you switch over to... Next, we'll move on to setting up your profile for success. You want to do two things here. Add a link to your bio and set up your payment info. We'll talk about the payment info later in this video, but for the link in your bio, you have two options. Add your website or add your link tree. A link tree is basically a landing page that allows you to add multiple links so your audience can click on and be directed to wherever you want them to go. This could be a link to your online store, your core sales page, your freebie, lead magnet, or opt-in page, your YouTube channel, another social media platform, your podcast, blog, or website. The possibilities are really endless here, and you'll get more into that later on in the video. For now, though, just know that it's important to add a link to your bio so that people can click on and be directed to wherever you want them to go. And if you need help doing this, check out the links in the description down below for some great tools to help you out. Okay, next up, we're going to talk about learning the ropes of creating on TikTok. If you haven't used TikTok before, it is essential that you spend some time familiarizing yourself with the app and learning how everything works before you start posting. Spend some time scrolling through the For You page to see what types of content is performing well. Watch some other creators in your niche to see what types of videos they're remaking and what their content strategy seems to be. Get a feel for what your audience wants and what they like to see and do. When you're ready, start creating some test videos and see what works best for you. Don't worry too much about showing your face or not showing your face. It's totally up to you. Just do whatever you feel most comfortable with. Also, you and Taffy show your face, or even use your real name if you and Tay want to. Many successful accounts on TikTok do UNT show their face and instead focus on creating great content without it. Speaking of content, it's important that you familiarize yourself with the content policy guidelines before you start posting. You can find these guidelines on the TikTok website. Just search for community guidelines and you'll find it. These guidelines will tell you what's allowed and not allowed on TikTok so you won't post anything that violates their terms of service. And trust me when I say this, violating TikTok's terms of service can get your account shut down. So please be sure to read over those guidelines carefully. Also, familiarize yourself with the different types of content allowed on TikTok. There are short-form videos, live streams, and even long-form videos, which are up to 60 minutes long. TikTok has a ton of different features, and it can take a little bit of time to figure out which ones you like best. So do you and T be afraid to experiment around with all of them and see what you enjoy the most? Also, once you start posting, be sure to pay attention to your analytics. Your analytics will show you which types of content are performing best, so you can continue to create more of that type of content. Now, if you've watched our video on how to grow on TikTok, then you already know that using trending sounds is super important. That's because the TikTok algorithm loves to push out viral content, and using trending sounds is a great way to get on the radar of the algorithm. If you're not using trending sounds, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get your content seen by more people. So be sure to check out the sounds page regularly to see what's trending and try to incorporate those sounds into your content whenever possible. On top of using trending sounds, you also want to be using trending hashtags. Again, the same logic applies here. The TikTok algorithm loves to push out viral content, and using trending hashtags is a great way to get on the radar of the algorithm. You can find trending hashtags by checking out the hashtags page. Here you'll be able to see which hashtags are currently trending, and you can use those hashtags in your own content to increase your chances of going viral. Be sure to mix it up though. Don't just use the same hashtags every single time you post. If you want to reach the most amount of people possible, you'll want to use a combination of both niche-specific hashtags and trending hashtags. Now that you know all of that, It's time to start growing your audience. And the best way to do that is to be consistent. Aim to post at least once per day, if not more. This will help you to get on the radar of the TikTok algorithm and eventually you'll start getting views, followers, and eventually money. Just be patient and consistent and you'll eventually get there. If you need help coming up with content ideas, we'll leave a few videos linked down below that can help you with that. Alright, so once you've gained enough followers, then it's time to unlock some of the creator tools that TikTok has to offer. To get access to these tools, go to the profile icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and then tap the 3 lines at the top right-hand corner of the screen. From here, select Settings, and then scroll down to the Account tab. Once you're on the Account tab, scroll down again, and you'll see a section that says Professional Dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you'll be able to access all of the professional dashboard tools that TikTok has to offer. Some of these tools include the Content, Analytics, Audience, and Ads Manager. We'll talk more about how to use these tools later on in the video. For now, just know that these tools exist and they can help you to make more money on TikTok. Now, it's finally time to start making some money. There are a lot of ways that you can monetize your TikTok presence, but in this video, we're only going to cover the major ones. So, if you're really looking for a comprehensive list of every single way that you can make money on TikTok, be sure to check out the blog post that we'll link down below. The first way that you can monetize your TikTok presence is through the Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is a program that was launched by TikTok in 2021 to help creators make money from their content. To qualify and apply for the Creator Fund, go to the TikTok app, click the profile icon, then tap the 3 lines at the top right-hand corner of the screen, select Settings, scroll down to the Account tab, scroll down again, and click on the Creator Fund application. From here, you'll be able to apply for the fund and start earning money from your content. You can earn money from views on your videos, live streams, and even comments. The amount of money that you earn will depend on a number of factors, including the number of views, likes, and shares that your content gets, as well as your audience size and engagement level. Another way that you can make money on TikTok is through ads. You can run ads on TikTok to promote your business, brand, or product. To run ads on TikTok, go to the Ads Manager tool in the Professional Dashboard, then click on Create an Ad. From here, you'll be able to create an ad campaign and set a budget. You can also target your ads based on keywords, demographics, interests, and behaviors. You'll pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad, also known as a CPA, or cost per acquisition. Fees vary depending on a number of factors, including the number of people who see your ad, how often they see it, and how many times they click on it. You can also make money on TikTok through shoppable videos. Shoppable videos are videos that allow users to buy products directly from the video. To enable shopping on your videos, go to the Shop tab in the Professional Dashboard, then click on Get Started. From here, you'll be able to set up your shop and add products to sell. You'll earn a commission on any products that are sold through your videos. And affiliates are another great way to make money on TikTok. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services in exchange for a commission. To get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok, sign up for an affiliate program, create content that promotes the products or services you're interested in, and earn a commission on any sales that you generate. Finally, you can make money on TikTok through brand partnerships. Brand partnerships are when brands pay you to create content that promotes their products or services. To get started with brand partnerships on TikTok, reach out to brands that you're interested in working with and propose a partnership. You can also work with a TikTok influencer marketing platform to connect with brands that are looking for influencers to work with. Now that you know all of the ways that you can make money on TikTok, it is time to connect your payment info so that you can get paid for the work that you're redoing. To connect your payment info, go to the Finance tab in the Professional Dashboard, then click on Payout Methods. From here, you'll be able to add your bank account or PayPal account so that you can get paid for the work that you're redoing. And finally, we have a few bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings on TikTok. First, be sure to track your expenses related to creating on TikTok. This includes things like the cost of equipment, software, and any other expenses that you incur while creating content. You can use accounting software to help you track your expenses. By tracking your expenses, you'll be able to determine how much money you're actually making from creating on TikTok. Second, be sure to reinvest some of your earnings back into your content. This means that some of the money that you make from creating content should be used to improve your content. This could mean buying new equipment, hiring a videographer or editor, or investing in other ways to improve your content. By reinvesting in your content, you'll be able to create better content, which will lead to more views, followers, and ultimately more money. And third, consider offering your services to other creators on TikTok. There are many creators on TikTok who are willing to pay other creators to help them with their content. This could mean offering editing services, ghostwriting services, or even just helping them come up with content ideas. By offering your services to other creators, you'll be able to earn more money on TikTok even if you're not creating your own content. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.